Artificial intelligence is leading to amazing applications in almost all the sectors. Due to its increasing utility, many efforts are being made in India to promote innovation and create trained human resource in the field. To upskill Indians in Python programming language, AI for India initiative was organized on the 24th and 25th of April by GUVI, an IIT Madras incubated startup, and All India Council for Technical Education, along with IIT Madras Research Park and Buddy.ai. This 24-hour online coding class was attended by over 1.12 lakh participants comprising different sections of the society from all over the country. The event has now set a Guinness World Record for most numbers of users to take a programming lesson in 24 hours, beating the previous record by 50 times.
World record has come, fine. But more importantly, we have been able to engage with young students during this pandemic. When the chips are down, when people are all having scary thoughts with the COVID-19 second version wave being on, the onslaught being going on, I think everyone was having dim hopes. During that time, energizing and making students to learn AI and the facial recognition of, creating tools and software, nothing can be better than this.
In addition to the online coding class, an online training session to build a face recognition app was also organized as part of the same event. 1.43 lakh participants attended this session online. Swapnil Dangrikar, the official educator of the Guinness World Records in India, presented the certificates of the world record during an online event held on the 30th of April 2021.
Buddy.ai, is an 8-year-old company, and 98% of our employees are in India. And we're very proud of building probably one of the world's top-notch AI platform in healthcare from India. When GUVI is working really hard towards upskilling and reskilling, a lot of our engineers, in India for getting into the AI space, we saw this as a perfect alignment because we truly believe that AI is the future.
In order to develop economical and better resources in the field of artificial intelligence education, the startup GUVI has launched online coding and programming classes mainly for the students. The endeavor is being enriched by expert talk and training sessions in various other regional languages besides Hindi and English. Such initiatives are proving very useful during the current COVID crisis, and achievements such as the Guinness World Record reflect GUVI's commitment.
In India, we have a lot of faceless families. Okay, the only thing which can give face to the family's education. Okay, for example, this is one of the example for it. This is one of the screenshots which we got it during the this Guinness World Record. So look at this, you can't believe these people are empowered with learning AI from their place, whatever they have it. Okay, so this is the real achievement which we want to have it, and this is where we were striving it for past 7 years. Okay, and because of AICT and Guinness World Record, we are able to take it to a larger audience.
GUVI is providing online courses in programming languages, deep learning, data science, etc. to benefit the students as well as professionals residing in the remote areas of the country. It has opened up a new path for affordable education for all by building a strong network with schools and colleges. This will enable young talents to come forward with new ideas and contribute towards building a self-reliant India.